I'm very comfortable working hard. I enjoy working hard. I love what I do. And also a big lesson for me is receiving help and learning which levers to pull on that are going to be the greatest yield with the least amount of work.
Spider, weave your web, chill out, and wait for a dinner to fly into it.
Wow.
Spiders don't go hunting. They let the hunt come to them. I'll give you an example of a power animal since we're kind of talking about that. You know, when I was 50, as you know, I went through quite a midlife crisis because I just worked myself to death trying to help people. I just felt overwhelmed because even when I said I couldn't do anymore, I still had a lot of things I had to do, filming and this and that, and keep the instinct from just falling right through the floor. So I went and sat in my sauna and went into meditation. I was just drawn to my bee power animal, which is my root chakra power animal. And I said, you know how I'm feeling. You're part of me. You're with me. Do you have any advice to help me get through this? And then the bee became very vivid in my consciousness. And the message that I got was very simple, but very profound. All of a sudden, the bee gave me images of all the bees inside the hive working together. You know, inside the hive is just buzzing with activity. Then the bee shifted back to me and it said one thing: no bee can make honey alone. Are you telling me I need to delegate more? And the answer was yes. You're trying to do too much by yourself. And so I realized that I had to shift my orientation from trying to do so much myself to helping other people get better at what they did and working together.